In this video, I'll be showing you how to make chocolate drips. So the first thing you need is chocolate itself. So I'm using this type of chocolate. I have white chocolate though. You can also use dark chocolate, which I prefer to use. So what you do is, first of all, we want to break our chocolate into small pieces. So basically, I'll begin to cut mine into small pieces. I've cut down my chocolate and into these pieces, and then I've put them into this small tin. So basically what I have done is that I have created a double boiler. This is just water I've put in a sufuria, and then I'll put my chocolate on top. Yeah, and then now I'll let my chocolate melt. So we'd put in our chocolate in a double boiler. So I just want to show you how it has melted. You see, you need your chocolate runny. You notice that my chocolate is very runny, and that's the way that we need it to be. But at times, because of people live in different places, the temperatures can easily solidify your chocolate. So what you do, you add a drop, just a little bit. You add just a little bit of cooking oil. So this is the cake that we're making the drips with. So what I do, I'll just use a spoon. So I take my chocolate and then I'll just put it at the tip and make a drip here. I'll just allow it to fall, and then I'll go on and just allow it to fall there, and go on and just allow it to fall over there, and then I'll turn my cake. In the places where you see they're not reaching down, just use a toothpick to poke the last part, and then it will go down. So I have shown you how to make drips. After we've made our drips, now is when we can make either roses or whatever shapes you want to make on the top, on top of the drips that we've made on top. I'm using the buttercream that I'd made in my previous video. If you haven't watched that video, just go and watch it on how to make buttercream frosting. And also, this is just a piping bag and a piping nozzle. I've also mentioned them in a tutorial I did on how to cover a cake with fresh cream. So I'll put my tip here. I'd done this tutorial on how to make roses. So basically that's what I'm doing. That's it for today. Thank you for joining in. Remember to share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till next time, it's a goodbye. Bye.